Welcome back to TechMonk. You might think you know everything about WhatsApp. However, like anything tech-related, there are always more tricks, tips, and features to learn about and use. In this video, we list some of the best hidden WhatsApp tricks which will help you get more out of WhatsApp. 1. Create WhatsApp shortcuts for conversations. Are you constantly using WhatsApp to message the same 2 or 3 people? If so, did you know you can streamline your experience by adding a conversation shortcut to your device's home screen? Just open the app, click on the Chats tab, and long press on the conversation for which you want to create a WhatsApp shortcut. Once you've highlighted the chat, tap Options, the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, and select Add Chat Shortcut from the pop-up menu. 2. Exclude WhatsApp images from your library. The WhatsApp sharing feature is a great tool, but sometimes it can get annoying, especially if you're part of a group that insists on sending hundreds of images of memes and jokes every week. Those images can clog up your library, use valuable memory space, and could be downright embarrassing if they end up in front of the wrong pair of eyes. You can make sure WhatsApp images don't end up in your phone library by heading to Options, Chats, Chat Settings, and off the Media Visibility option. 3. Save storage on images and videos. WhatsApp automatically downloads all photos, videos, audio files, and documents onto your device upon receipt. Given the number of media files you probably receive in a given week, it's not ideal. Unless you stay on top of your photo library, its size is quickly going to spiral out of control. It's easy to tap on More Options and head to Settings. Data and storage usage. Under Media Auto Download, tap on When using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming, and uncheck all of the boxes. 4. WhatsApp chat privacy. If you're only chatting to friends and family, it might not be important, but what about if your number is added to a massive group full of strangers for a conference? You probably don't want everyone seeing your face and being alerted when you are typing. The solution is to edit the visibility of your last seen status, profile photo, about, status, and read receipts. To do so, head to More Options, Settings, Count, Privacy, and make the necessary amendments. You can choose whether everybody your contacts or nobody sees your details, though read receipts are just on /off. 5. Send BCC on WhatsApp using broadcasts. Blind Carbon Copy, BCC, is a frequently used email feature that lets you send the same message to lots of people without the recipients being aware of who else got the communication. It's a little-known fact that WhatsApp allows you to do the same thing. The feature is called Broadcast. To use it, click on More Options, New Broadcast dot, and enter the names of the people who you want to send your message to. You'll be able to see who opened it and receive any responses privately and individually. Note that people will only receive your WhatsApp broadcast if they have saved your number in their address book. If you like this video, then please do subscribe, comment, and like the video.